Nice to see you again, Joshua Alcon from Allstate. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the auto, home, life, and umbrella policies that we had discussed before. Now, I do understand that, a big concern of yours was price. However, I want to let you know what's most important about buying insurance. First, I'd like to start with the auto insurance I'm offering you. Now, keep in mind with the state minimum limits that you had quoted through other companies, I can offer you that. However, that's not doing right by you. What I mean by that is my job as an insurance man is to make sure not only do I get you the best price possible, but I get you the most accurate price and I get you the best coverage for that price. My job is to make sure you are protected. As a homeowner, I do have to tell you that minimum limits that Colorado requires, it's not what you should have as a homeowner. What I mean by that is you don't have to be a millionaire to be sued like one. Insurance is about asset protection. I can't hand you insurance physically and say, "Hey, here you go." I need to tell you what you're buying, and what I want you to know is you're buying peace of mind. My job is to protect you, and if someone does try to sue you, I need to make sure that you're covered. That's my job. Your job is to make sure that you have the best price possible and the best person possible protecting you. Now, with the auto insurance, I do recommend you have the highest limits of 250,000 per person, 500,000 per incident, and 100,000 property damage. The reason is you are a homeowner and I need to protect your assets. Now, I do understand that price-wise, the best coverage you can get is state minimums at 25,000 per person, 50,000 per incident, 15,000 property damage. I would not recommend doing that. Again, asset protection, we want to do the 250,000 per person, 500,000 per incident, 100,000 property damage. Next, I want to talk to you about the products that we offer here at Allstate. That being said, we have Allstate Standard, which comes with accident forgiveness after 5 years. We have Allstate Gold, which comes with accident forgiveness right away, as well as deductible rewards. And Allstate Platinum, which comes with both accident forgiveness, deductible rewards, and a claim-free bonus check every 6 months. The gold package is about 3% more than the standard package, and the platinum package is about 7% more than the standard package. Now, what's really important in this world is you need to know that accidents do happen. That's why they're called accidents. Things happen. My job is to protect you in the case things happen. Now, you may have heard from other people that rates do go up when you have an accident. However, in Allstate Gold and Allstate Platinum, you don't have that problem. If you were to get in an accident, we will not raise your rates due to that first accident. Now, your deductible. Now, if in the event of an accident, you are responsible for a deductible. Well, with deductible rewards, it takes $100 off your deductible for every year that you're accident free. That being said, I quoted you a $500 deductible, but right away, if something were to happen, let's say tomorrow, we'd only charge you $400 out of pocket because of those deductible rewards. I think that's the best way to go. If I were you, I would do Allstate Gold or Allstate Platinum. Next, I want to talk to you about our homeowners product. We have Allstate Base and we have Allstate Enhanced. Well, the difference between the two products, obviously, it's going to be price a little bit, but the most important thing is the claim rate guard. What that is if you were to file a claim on your home, we want to make sure we're not going to surcharge you for that. Now, in Colorado, the biggest kind of claim you're going to have is a wind and hail claim. I did quote you at a lower deductible than most companies would offer because in the event that it does hail on you, I want to make sure you're covered not only for the lowest deductible possible, but I want to make sure we're not going to raise your rates due to that claim. Um, Honestly, I know you were saying that we do have a really good home price, and our auto price is competitive, but not the best. But I do want you to know that even though it's not the best price, it's the best coverage you will get for that price. Now bundle everything together, and I want you to not only compare the prices, but compare, most importantly, the coverage. I need to make sure that not only do I give you that good price, but I give you the best coverage for that price, which I believe we have done. Next, I want to let you know that you're tossing around the umbrella policy a little bit, and again, you don't need to be a millionaire to be sued like a millionaire. It gives you $1 million umbrella coverage over your auto policy and your homeowner's policy. So you'll be covered in the event of an accident, a total of 1.5 million on your auto and 1.3 million on your home. Keep in mind that for less than $30 a month, you have that peace of mind that if someone does get hit by you, let's just say that you're driving down an icy highway, it's the middle of winter in Colorado, and you hit your brakes, and all of a sudden you slide into the person in front of you. You hit them, they hit a car in front of you, and they hit a car in front of them. Well, guess who's responsible for every car? You are. So I just want to make sure that you know that with an umbrella policy, you don't have to worry about covering the other cars, their body and their car, not having enough coverage to cover all of them. I want to make sure you know that you have the peace of mind that you're going to cover all the cars, and your claims, because of the claim rate's not going to go up because you covered everything that happened. Accidents happen, and my job is to make sure you're covered in the event of that accident. Finally, I want to talk about the life insurance policy I had quoted for you as well. Now, keep in mind, keeping things bundled does reduce costs, thus making you happy. Now, life insurance is something we don't like to talk about, but if you don't talk about it with your insurance guy, you're not going to talk about it with anybody. Life insurance is designed to protect your loved ones. There's no way to replace your personal, you replace your body if you do pass, but there is a way to show your family you love them if you do, and that's through life insurance. The cost wise, it's minimal compared to what your family gets if you were to pass. I'd rather bring your family a check instead of flowers after your passing. Now, we have a couple different life insurance products. We have a term product that's for a certain amount of years, a fixed premium, and we have a whole life that's set for life at another fixed premium. Now, the whole life policy does create value at the end, to where, let's say after 20 years you want to cash it out, you do have a built-in rider that does allow you to either borrow or terminate the policy, and you get some money back in return. Now, our most competitive product is our term insurance product. It's a decreasing term that we refer to as mortgage protection. So the closer you come to paying off your home, the lower the premium can get for your life insurance. What I mean by that is, let's say you owe $500,000 on your home, and we insure your body for $500,000. That way, if you pass, your significant others can pay off your home and have estate creation. Now, let's say you owe $500,000 on your home. I insure you for $500,000, but 10 years from now, you only owe $3,000. Well, 10 years from now, we could lower your life. We could have it set, your life insurance set to lower to $300,000, thus reducing your premium you have to pay, all the way till your home is paid off. Now, not only does that ensure estate creation, it ensures that your loved ones can continue to live in the home you have built together, if the worst case scenario were to happen. Overall, I do want to make sure that not only is your car covered, your home covered, and your liability covered, but I want to make sure life is covered as well. Bundling everything does reduce costs, and I want to make sure you have the best price possible. In conclusion, we have your home in the gold or platinum package. We have your auto in your gold or platinum package. We have your home in your enhanced package. We have your umbrella policy at $1 million, and we have a $500,000 life insurance policy. All I need from you is to know when we could get this started.